In today's video, I am going to teach you how to put Favicon on Squarespace. A favicon is the small icon that appears in a browser tab next to your site name. It helps your website look more polished and makes it easier for visitors to recognize your brand when they have multiple tabs open. In Squarespace, adding one is a quick process once you know where to find the setting. To begin, log into your Squarespace dashboard and open the website you want to update. Once you are inside the site editor area, look to the left sidebar menu and click Settings. This is where Squarespace keeps many of the general website options, including branding elements like your browser icon. After that, click Website. Inside that section, find and select Browser Icon from the list of available options. This is the area where Squarespace lets you upload and manage the favicon that appears in browser tabs. Now click the Add a Favicon plus sign or click directly on the Upload area. This will open your computer files so you can choose the image you want to use. Make sure the image is square, since that format works best for favicons and helps it display properly across different browsers and devices. If your image is not square, it may look cropped or uneven once it is applied. A simple, clean design usually works best because favicons appear very small on screen. Once you have selected the image from your computer, Squarespace will upload it into the browser icon section. Take a moment to confirm that the correct file is in place. This is a good time to make sure the image is clear and recognizable at a small size. When everything looks right, go to the top left corner of the panel and click Save. This applies the favicon to your website. After saving, your new browser icon may appear right away, but in some cases, it can take a little time to update depending on your browser cache. If you do not see the change immediately, try refreshing the page or checking your site in a private browsing window. That is the full process for adding a favicon in Squarespace. Open your dashboard, go to Settings, then Website, then Browser Icon, upload your Square image, and save your changes. That covers everything you need to know.